FreshBook time tracking. So here in today's video I'll be teaching about the FreshBooks time tracking right here. So time tracking is very useful if you want to know what your how many minutes have you been spending on this client, or hours you'll be spending on this objective right here, and it will help you much more to call this manage your time for your time management. So yeah, so now let's get started. All we need to do is open up our FreshBook. Once our FreshBook is open up, press on time tracking right here on the bottom right corner, right next to more. There you go, as you see right there. After pressing on that right there, we're gonna create the first entry. So here I'm going to show how to use it. So time entry timer. Okay, um we're gonna put in time entry or maybe timer, but right now we're gonna show you the time entry first. As you see, we have 1 hour. Add project. Add the project right here. You have any? So there you go. Notes, add services and whatnot. And then click on log time. Select a client before. Okay. Okay. Right off now we don't have a client. We can search ourselves right there. Then there you go. Log time. Okay, got it. Now as you see right here, here is our time right here. So now here is our time right here, as you see right here. Now if you want to delete it or change it, there you go. Delete it, just press on delete right here if you want to start deleting. There you go. There you go. So yeah, there you go. And I'm gonna show you what's the difference in timer. So here's the timer. I click ourselves right here and then log time. There you go. So once we right here at our log time right here, we can what call this? Let's see. Sorry for that, guys. Here we can adjust our time right here to say like 30 right there. You can adjust the time for it there, and you can add some few notes right here and services right here. So yeah, there you go, guys. And if you want to change the person's time tracking, just close this one right here and then choose other clients you have. So there you go, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, if you have more concerns, you can type it down in the comment section below, guys. And here you can see you can choose the day. You just by clicking on that today or tomorrow. So there. Yes, if you enjoyed. If you have more questions, type it down in the comment section below. Happy to answer you guys as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.